are watching our video for the first time, please subscribe our channel and hit the bell button to enable it. Like, comment and share. Hello everyone, welcome back to Afza's world. Today I would like to show how to make this beautiful candle flower. For this we need a stem with 2 or 3 branches. Varnish these branches first and dry it out. After that, we have to take some candles and a crayon. Break the candle and put it in a plate. Double boil till it melts. Add color to it. I am taking red crayon. You can take any color you want. After melting the combination, remove the threads. Now it's time to make flowers. Take ice cubes on a tumbler. To make flowers, use your fingertips, dip it in the ice cubes and immediately take the mixture and fix it on your stump. Here also we can use multiple colors. Should be very careful when you make this flower. Must wait few seconds before taking off the fingers from the stump. Otherwise it will break. Now it's finished. We can keep it in our showcases as it look very beautiful. Kids, it's very easy to make this cute candle flower. If you like this video, like, comment and share and subscribe to our channel.